How to increase the pointer or cursor size on Samsung mobile. So without wasting time, let's start video. So firstly, open the setting. So when you will open the setting of your mobile phone, so when you will scroll down, here is the options of journal management. So click on journal management. So when you will click on journal management, here is the option of mouse and trackpad. So just click on it, and here you can see pointer size and color. So click on it. So after this, you can see here pointer size option. So when you will move on the right side, the pointer size increase. So when you will move on the left side, pointer size is decrease. So guys, in this way you can increase or decrease pointer or cursor size on Samsung mobile. If this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.